Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain one more pattern program in a Python. Program to display as follows. This pattern I am going to explain in this video. This type of patterns, first of all, we have to divide into rows and columns. For example, like this. Here 5 rows and 5 columns. For rows purpose, one loop required. In that loop, printing spaces purpose, one loop required. Printing stars purpose, one more loop required. So first of all, rows purpose, 5 rows purpose, one loop. That is alright. First of all, I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 5, I equal to I plus 1. In short form, I plus equal to 1 also we can write. This meaning also I equal to I plus 1. This loop is iterated 5 times. This is for number of rows purpose. Now, first next one, spaces. In a first row, 4 spaces, second row, 3 spaces, third row, 2 spaces, fourth row, 1 space, fifth row, no space. Decrement order, one more loop required for printing spaces. For stars, first row 1 star, second row 2 stars, third row 3 stars, fourth row 4 stars, fifth row 5 stars. These stars incrementing order, one loop required. First of all, I'll write a loop for spaces. Decrement order required. So j equal to 5 while j greater than I, j equal to j minus 1. In short form, j minus equal to 1. If you write like this, whenever I value 1, this loop iterated 4 times. Whenever I value 2, this loop iterated 3 times. Whenever I value 3, this loop iterated 2 times. Whenever I value 4, this loop iterated 1 time. Whenever I value 5, this loop not iterated. This is for spaces. Print space. Here stars purpose, one loop required, but increment order. Here k equal to 1 while k less than or equal to I, print star. K equal to k plus 1. In other format, k plus equal to 1. Now, whenever I value 1, this loop iterated 1 time, 1 star printed. Whenever I value 2, this loop iterated 2 times, then 2 stars printed. Whenever I value 3, this loop iterated 3 times, then 3 stars printed. Whenever I value 4, this loop iterated 4 times, then 4 stars printed. Whenever I value 5, this loop iterated 5 times, 5 stars printed. So here spaces printed, here stars printed. But after printing spaces, star required. But this control comes to next line by default. That's what we have to write, end equal to empty. Here also end equal to empty. After terminating these two inner loops, next line required. For that, print. Now what will happen, see, whenever I value 1, 4 spaces printed, 1 star printed. Control comes to next line. Whenever I value 2, 3 spaces printed, 2 stars printed. Control comes to next line. Like this it will continue. I'll save, file, save, run module. See, whatever we required, we got the output. For getting more information, refer my blog Python by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. You can also refer for Java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. These are my blogs. For getting more information on Python, on Java, you can refer.